Okay, in this video, I am going to show you how to set up your first Facebook pixel. And the reason you want to do this is because we want to send traffic to your website as your home base, your hub, the center of your flywheel. And we want to use that pixel to accumulate data so we can then use it in more advanced ways. But that's all for another discussion. Right now, we just need to make sure you get it and you put it in the right place. And then it's almost like a set it and forget it for now. So you need to start off by going to your Facebook page. This is my Facebook page. This is our Hometown Revolution page. Whatever your page is, not your profile, your page, your business page, go to it. Obviously, you have to have a Facebook account. You have to be logged in. Once you go to it, no matter what it looks like, usually on the left, and this is on a desktop. It's much easier on the desktop. There are things that work way better on a phone, especially on Facebook, but when you're doing ads, it usually has to be on a desktop. It makes it way easier. There's more stuff available. So on the left, and one more thing about Facebook, I'm going to show you where it's at right now on mine. They change all the time, and sometimes you just need to run a Google search and look for something if it's not exactly where I'm showing it, but it should be something similar. You have a menu on the left, and you've got one of them that's called Ad Center. You click on that, and this is what it looks like today. This is what you're looking for. You're looking for the domain verification. It's over here on the right, and you can see it's to confirm domain ownership to manage your pixel settings. Click on that, and it's going to go to something called Business Manager. It's Facebook Business Manager. If you do not have one yet, there'll be a blue button probably that says create one, and it's just a little bit of information that is a lot more detailed and advanced in what you can do. Again, all that's later. Right now, all you want to do is create at least one Business Manager account. If you already have one, it'll be one of these boxes here. If you don't, you create a business. And I'm going to go ahead and go into mine, and it should be just step by step if you don't. So it's going to take you to the domain verification. We're not going to worry about that right now. We just want to get the pixel set up. Up here in the top left, if you can see me circling, there are 9 dots, and that's a little menu for your business tools. You click on that, and then you're going to click on the one that says Events Manager. And then you may or may not have anything listed. You want to set up a new pixel. If you already have one for some reason, I'm not sure why you're watching this, but if you already have one, that's fine. But we're going to act like this is the first time. There's going to be a green plus button on the left that says Connect Data Sources. And that's what we want to click. And this is going to connect our website to their pixel. There are other videos that talk about what the pixel is, why you need it. This is just get it. Don't worry about it. Learn all that stuff later. You're going to connect to the web. We're going to connect it to your website. So you're going to check that box and click connect. And then we're not going to worry about Conversions API. We are looking for the Facebook pixel. You just click that, check mark, and then click connect. And it's going to tell you a little bit what it's about. Read through it. It'll help you with your understanding. It's basically tracking anybody that ever comes to any page on your website. They can figure out who it was. So you click that. Now we're going to connect your website to the pixel. You're going to enter the name of the pixel. I usually just put whatever your website name is, pixel. So my new pixel. Now this is optional for now. Just leave this empty, because if you fill it out and sometimes Facebook tries to outsmart us and try to make it easier, it just makes it harder. So leave that blank, put the name of your pixel, leave your website blank, and click continue. And now you have a pixel, and you want to choose how we want to install the code. We want to install the code manually. So you're going to click install code manually. Now, this is for installing it on our Hometown Revolution software. This is the website we built for you, or any other funnel that you use. If they need the code, they'll ask for a script. You can put this almost anywhere. Sometimes they'll just ask for the pixel ID number. This is the code we are using right now. So you're just going to click this green button and click copy code. And now it's copied. And now we're going to go over to your dashboard on your website. So log into your dashboard, whatever your account is. This is our dummy account here, so we can play with things. And you're going to go down here on the left to funnels and websites, and you're going to click on whatever we built for you or whatever you built for yourself. So if you build a funnel, it's a funnel. If it's a website, it's a membership site, you click that. So I'm just going to put it on a website because most of what we do is on a website. Whatever the website is, you click on it again. You choose your website, and it's going to pull up all the pages of your website. Up here on the top left, you click on settings, and right here is the head tracking code. You literally click inside that, you paste that script that you just copied, which is going to look like this. If you expand that, it's just going to say Facebook code, and it's going to end with in Facebook code. And if you ever need your number, the Pixel ID number, it's always right here. It's the only string of numbers in there. This is the same string. So you click it, paste it into the head tracking code, not the body. You paste it into the head, and then you go down here on the bottom right and you click save. You are now pixeled. And that is all you should have to do. If you want to check it, you can go to Google Chrome and type in Facebook Pixel Helper and install this little, it's going to be under, it's the Chrome one. Under chrome.google.com, you install this little extension, and it gives you this little box here. This is your Facebook Pixel Helper, if you can see me up here. And what you do is when you go to a website like this one, it is not installed because it's grayed out. It says Facebook Pixel Helper has access to the site, but there's no pixel there. But if you go to like our site, hometownrevolution.com, and watch this gray box, boom, popped up because we have our pixel installed. It's a green, so it means it's okay. You can click on it, and it'll show you your pixel ID and the different events that will happen on it. Again, don't worry about any of that. All you need to do is click on your ad center, go to the business settings, create a business account. If you don't have one, click into your new business, and then you're going to go to the events and the tools and add a connected data source. Follow that. You can go back, watch this again. It's really simple, step by step. The power in this is something that we'll talk about later, but this is something that you have to get done. If you have any problems, just jump in the forums, ask us. We can help you and get it figured out. And if you have something, another website that we didn't build, you know, you can, there's lots of YouTube videos on how to do it. Just look up how to install the Pixel on whatever platform you're using. So that's it. Pat Cherubini out.